birthday. Hey, but you don't want to talk. Good morning to you. We're ready. Ready to go. Yeah. Off to Disneyland. Yee.
You saw how excited I am?
Very excited. Very, very excited. Don't fall. Oh. Let's go. Come.
Let's go, Jordan.
Come, Jordan.
Good girl.
Come on, Jordan. Manny's very first time and Jordan's very first time being in Disneyland. Lego Woody. Lego Dragon. They're all Lego. It's all Lego. We're here. This is the center area. So right here is Disneyland. Right here is California Adventure. There's 2 parks. We're gonna go through here first though. California Adventure. Waiting. Oh my gosh. Were you waving the entire time I was looking around?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. California Adventure. Everyone's say. All decided. This is my ticket.
It's your all set.
That's it?
Your phone.
Okay.
You're all set.
My ticket. Getting through. Yeah, oh my god. You're so weird. To Disneyland. It's a first timer for both of you.
All the rides.
Okay.
It's so pretty.
In Disneyland.
In Disneyland.
And it's fun. Not yet. I really need to pee.
I have lipstick.
Okay, never mind. It says World of Color. Oh. Check it out, it's my brother. Yeah, buddy. It's in the bag. The ring.
When is it gonna happen?
I have no idea yet. I'm trying to figure it out because I thought World of Color wasn't gonna. Okay, I'll let you know. So the main reason for this is because I'm gonna pop a question. The most important question of my life. California Adventure. So right now we're gonna go ride cars. Yeah, cars. Jordan. Hi. Hi. Welcome to Disneyland. Yeah, you can care less. Go to mommy.
Picture with Mater.
Go to mommy.
Let's go take a picture with Mater.
Looks live. Well, look, we got fast passes for
right?
Tower of Terror.
Yeah, meet us there.
Paradise Pier. What's up? California screaming.
Tastes like fresh water.
Got 8 churros. Now we gotta find them. Churro. One each. Churro tradition. Can't see.
$10?
Says chillers. I got run in the beginning, but that was it. No. Oh. It's so weird. Wow, Bugs Life.
You're an idiot.
You missed Mickey. Here.
I know.
Daddy, you're ugly.
Just line up, and then when they get up there, like, oh, I'm backing out.
Yeah. Out in the rain. Everyone's all wet. First time I've seen California raining this hard. First time I've seen it rain this hard. We had to purchase ponchos for everybody. Anyways, we're off to Disneyland. Living in California Adventure, so off to Disneyland.
2?
Yes, for 2. Wow. Here's your pin. Ah, first time with pin.
First time.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Somebody come here, look at this. Someone look at this. Welcome to Disneyland. 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 Welcome to Disney. Welcome to Disneyland. A wet Disneyland. Still raining like crazy, but we're in Disneyland. Not raining like
The rain's
crazy.
being a fun sucker.
Sucks.
Fun
Sucks.
sucker.
Tomorrowland. Hyperspace Mountain. Oh, what? It's called Hyperspace Mountain? Did they change it? Was it always called Space Mountain or Hyperspace Mountain? Alright, so we got some pizza.
Grab now.
Some pizza. Got fast passes to Space Mountain, but not until 5:30 or 5:15. So we're just gonna chill here until then, kind of relax and recuperate. The Matterhorn. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy cow! Holy cow! Oh no! Oh no! Whoa! So you're good. You're in the front. You're good. How was it?
What's in the castle?
Nothing.
Yeah, like what's
Nothing, right?
inside?
It's the castle. Finally, the sun's out.
Right? The sun's out.
Oh, the sun's out. Your turn?
Yeah? Okay. Ready, ready. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good. You have a lot of guts. Balls.
Pulled it off.
Balls, man.
Like,
Pulled it off.
badass.
Yeah.
She's engaged. We're engaged. Bunkers.
Love you.
We're engaged. All these birds came out of nowhere. Maleficent. Oh my god, this is scary. What the hell? Oh!
We got wipes. Not too bad.
I got hit.
Oh,
I can smell it.
can you? Oh, wait.
There's a thing on my back. Right? One? Hold on,
Yuck. So there's a lot of birds. The birds approve.
You've been blessed by the bird.
Yuck.
Yuck.
Space Mountain. Basically last ride of the trip. Disneyland trip.
Oh, it's our last ride of
Alright, I know. My adrenaline's gone.
I know.
Tired. Space Mountain.
Roller coaster type ride.
It's gonna be super dark, so there's no need to bring you guys. But
follow all pre-launch procedures, including
Gonna be too dark. Whoa! I don't remember this.
Blue leader, all wings report in.
Blue 6 standing by.
We're out. That was sick. Like you? Yeah. That was awesome. Dude, I was so excited when they were playing music, the Star Wars music. I was like, what? I know. Oh my god. One last thing before we leave Disneyland. We're gonna check the castle. Hey. Okay, we're back here in Main Street. Check this out. See our faces. Hi world.
Hi.
I'd like to introduce you to my fiance.
Well, this is my fiance too.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. And she said yes.
I said yes, and he screamed it in the top of his lungs.
Yeah.
That I said yes.
What happened? They got canceled. I had a feeling. Well, let's get out of here. It's raining hard right now. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Hey, see you guys tomorrow.
Bye. Bye. So it happened to rain really hard like 1 minute before the show started. Good job. We just got important food. Very important food from In-N-Out.
So you want me to like open it for you while you? In-N-Out burger, double doubles. Woo!
What's up?
What's up, nigga?
M&M Donuts. Fucking random night adventures with Mike, dude.